So first item of business in the upper right-hand corner, that'd be the excavation for the clear well. You see they're putting the base slab down, getting ready to get the first part of the slab taken care of. Auto shops removed. I'd use a pumper truck in a lot of cases to get the pours done. You'll see a big arm swinging over there. So most of the work in the northeast corner still. A lot of form work then coming out of the ground for the clear well walls. And that's a 1 million gallon clear well. It's where the finished drinking water goes before it's pumped into town. I want to stop it on the snow. The contractor has made some requests for time related to weather. I reminded them that my wife had 0 snow days this year. She's a teacher. So while there may be some justification for time extensions that we'll talk about this evening, we did not agree with them that weather maybe was the case this year. Of course, they said thank you and moved on. It wasn't the case at all. A little bit of snow, but not much.
You see the clear well walls slowly grow in the right-hand corner there. A whole lot of walls in that.
They would tie a lot of these mats up, and the crane would drop them into place inside of the forms when they did clear well walls. And that clear well is about 27 feet deep, plus or minus, depending on whether you're talking about the top and the bottom. Getting into spring of this year, things started happening a little bit more. You see construction going on back in this southeast corner. That's the clarifier and flocculator number 3. Very similar type construction, base slab and then walls. There's 3 of those items right along through here. Clear well roof going on, and there'll be a high service pump station, which will be here, and then the water will leave the clear well and out to the distribution system. Piping work with the sludge basin. There's 3 30-inch casings bored beneath the railroad tracks in this location. Backwash water and filtered wastewater will go through these pipes into the existing line lagoons, which are being repurposed. So this is pipe work coming out of that, which will be gravity fed. This is the excavation for the filter room. There's 8 filters, 4 on each side. The base of the filter will be up on this ledge. You'll start seeing some piping start to get kind of cut out of the bottom here. This is a very good excavation.
See them finish the filter bolt. Yeah, they're finishing it right now.
And some of this is what the change order on the agenda is for tonight. There has been some soils that have been discovered on the site that have been less than desirable. It's fill material that was brought in from a previous time, so we'll discuss on the change order addressing some of those items and some foundation enhancements that you probably will want to consider.
There's a nice neat shot of the filter hole.
This is piping that's going to be below the floor. They'll take backwash water out across the tracks, as we mentioned earlier. You can see in the background here, that's a concrete pumper truck working on the vertical walls of the clarifier and flocculator number 3. Also, you can see here some of probably the worst part of the fill material. All that is undesirable fill, if you will, so that's having to be removed and then replaced with compacted sand, which is going quite well, but it will be an expense. This is the chemical feed room area. There's whether the sodium hypochlorite or chlorine and alum, the coagulant, will go, also potassium permanganate. There will be large chemical feed tanks in this area. So that's it.